Welcome back to Real Estate 3 TV. I'm here with Vo and Bobby Montgomery. And Vo, what do you like most about this home?
This home has a fabulous floor plan and wonderful views.
Well, let's go take a look.
1763 Locust Shade Lane, built by R.L. Buyer Construction, located in the amenity-rich community of Ashcroft, offers wide-open living spaces and is full of light. The fabulous kitchen is a wonderful spot for family and friends. This custom space offers stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, custom painted wood cabinets, huge walk-in pantry, island with bar, and seating for 4, as well as an eat-in area and desk area. The kitchen opens into a spacious family room. Special features of the family room include coffered ceilings, custom built-ins, and a gorgeous stone fireplace. Each of the 5 bedrooms in this lovely home are all nicely sized and have their own walk-in closets. Bedrooms include a first and second floor master suite. And if this isn't enough, the terrace level with lots of windows and light is finished to the level of the rest of the home. This space provides a bedroom, full bath, exercise room, game room, and a family room with bar. This home's natural setting manages to bring the outside in. You will enjoy 2 covered porches as well as an expansive deck. The large, nearly level lot is 1.11 acres and offers great spaces for entertaining and play.
Wow, that's an amazing home, guys. If our viewers want to find out more information on this property, where can they go?
Everything you need is at voandbobby.com.
Well, thanks again. And here's some more great listings by Real Estate 3.